Correcting mistakes, part 2. My student told me a story about his cat. Today we continue reading the story. Let's get started. He's patient ends after 2 minutes. Patient. What part of speech is patient? That's an adjective. As you know, adjectives describe people, things, or ideas. Here we are not describing. We are naming something. He's patient? No. We need a noun. Instead of patient, we need to use patience. Let's drop the T and use CE, patience. His patience ends after 2 minutes. Instead of ends, which is correct by the way, can I suggest a phrasal verb to sound more natural? A phrasal verb runs out when we run out of something. There is no more of something. And because this is a third person singular, don't forget the S. Runs out. Runs out. So what do we get here? His patience runs out after 2 minutes. Take a look at this preposition after. Is there another preposition we can use instead of after to show the duration of time, the amount of time? We can use another preposition here, in. It shows a period of time during which something occurs or is completed. So we can say in 2 minutes. We can say in 1 minute, in 5 days, in 2 minutes. His patience runs out in 2 minutes. He start. Take a look at he. He requires a third person singular verb. It indicates a third person singular. And for the verb, in this case, we need an S ending, starts. He starts to ask for attention. Now, you need to remember that it is just a matter of practice. He starts to ask for attention. That's a third person singular, just like here. Ends, runs out, starts. And this is for present simple. Everything is in the present tense here. He start, you see again the same mistake. We know that a third person singular verb requires an S ending. So let's practice and say it. He starts. He starts talking with me, and if I don't listen him. What goes after listen? After listen, we need a preposition. Okay, we can listen. Do you remember? Do you know what preposition is missing? To. Listen to. We can listen to somebody or to something. Listen to my mom. Listen to my friend. Listen to the radio. Right? don't forget this preposition to. Listen to him. That goes together. I don't listen to him, and don't put my attention to him. Hold on a second. This is part 2. Remember, in part 1, we had this example. What kind of word can we use with the word attention instead of put? We don't put attention in English. We pay attention in English. We pay money, we pay for the groceries, we pay the bills, and yes, we pay attention. We pay attention. So, what do we have? We can say pay my attention to him, or we can just say pay attention. Both are correct. I prefer pay attention. What do you prefer? He starts talking. Starts, very good. We have an S. He starts talking with me very loud. Instead of saying talking with me very loud, we can use a very natural expression. You can say get loud with me, gets loud with me. When does somebody usually get loud with somebody? This can happen in an argument. Somebody gets loud with somebody when there is an argument and they argue or fight. That's an expression. So what do we have? His patience runs out in 2 minutes. He starts to ask for attention. He starts talking with me, and if I don't listen to him and don't pay attention to him, he starts, instead of starts, just say gets loud with me. He gets loud with me. Do you need help with your English? If you need help, I create individual video lessons just for you. Your personal English lesson includes up to 5 personalized corrections, clear explanations and natural examples, a custom grammar or vocabulary exercise with real-life examples, a listen and repeat audio drill, and a feedback on your improved second version. The communication is via email or WhatsApp. You can order your personal video lesson by sending an email to info@englishwithalina.com or click the link in the bio. Thank you!